Think you're making your own decisions, choosing your job, your relationships, your daily routine, but in reality, you're following a script, one that was written for you. This is day 4 of decoding human nature. Humans crave security more than anything, and that makes them predictable. When people fear uncertainty, they become easy to control. That's why governments push safety over freedom, why companies trap employees with job security, why manipulators make you afraid of change. Because a scared mind is an obedient mind. The trick is to make people fear the unknown. Show them what they could lose, not what they could gain. Convince them that stepping outside the lines is dangerous. And once they believe that, they'll lock themselves in their own cage, and even thank you for it.